Shall we give it a go to say thank you?
Yeah, but this gag's been taken out, so here's a cowbell. There is Switzerland. Thanks, Switzerland.
Right then, now we're going to go over here to the listening booth and find out what the fans think of the album so far.
Come on, where's the handhelds? We need a camera!
Camera 2,
Oh,
I think
there
we're
it
here
is.
now.
Alright.
Oh my god.
What have you thought about the album so far?
It's amazing.
Like it.
Oh my god, you're actually...
It's quite warm in here, isn't it? It is quite warm in here. Right, so... Oh, bloody hell, this door. Thank you for listening to the album. You're getting kicked out.
Oh.
Sorry.
Right then, sorry about that. I hope you enjoyed the listening. How was it for you so far? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
What was
that
your
for you?
favourite song of the few you've heard?
Midnight Memories.
Midnight Memories. Story of my life.
Good.
Good choice, good choice. Alright then, well, thank you
Thank you very much.
for
Round of
joining us.
applause for the girls. Thank you. Thank you very much. Nice to see you guys.
Right then, so we've
you.
got 2 new people to come into the listening booth now.
Come on.
Hello.